The American wilderness is home to a wide array of creatures, majestic, powerful, and in some cases, deadly. When we think of America's deadliest animals, we often picture the great predators, bears, mountain lions, or venomous snakes. But the truth may surprise you. Among the most dangerous animals in the United States is one we often view as peaceful, even charming. Today, we will uncover the unexpected menace behind one of nature's most elegant creatures, the American deer. Welcome back to our channel, The Stuffed Capsicum, where we serve up an enticing mix of educational and entertaining content. Graceful, nimble, and undeniably majestic, the American deer has long been a symbol of the untamed beauty of nature. From the Pacific Northwest to the rolling hills of the Appalachian Mountains, these animals have adapted to thrive in a wide range of environments. In the United States, several species of deer dominate the landscape. The iconic white-tailed deer, the sturdy mule deer, the elegant black-tailed deer, and the mighty elk. Of these, the white-tailed deer is perhaps the most widespread, known for its distinctive tail that flashes white when alarmed. Found across North America, from forests to farmlands, this species is often seen as a peaceful emblem of the wilderness. Mule deer, with their larger, more muscular frames, are common in the western United States, while elk, the largest of all, roam freely through many of the nation's national parks. These creatures embody a sense of wonder and awe, their delicate movements and quiet presence creating a deep connection to the natural world. And yet beneath this beauty lies a complexity that we are only beginning to understand. For centuries, the relationship between humans and deer has been one of reverence and reliance. Native American tribes viewed deer as sacred, often incorporating them into their spiritual practices. The deer provided food, clothing, and tools, with every part of the animal being used in some way. Their presence in the wild was a symbol of abundance and balance. When European settlers arrived, they too relied on the deer for survival. Deer hides were used to make clothing and shelter, and their meat was a vital food source, particularly during the harsh winters. Over time, hunting became not just a necessity, but also a tradition, passed down through generations. Even today, deer hunting remains an important cultural practice in many parts of the United States, not just for sport, but as a means of managing wildlife populations. Yet, as our relationship with these animals evolved, so did the challenges. The delicate balance between humans and deer has shifted in surprising ways, leading to unforeseen consequences that affect both humans and the ecosystems we inhabit. What if I told you that the most dangerous animal in America is not the mountain lion, the venomous snake, or even the great white shark? In fact, it's not a predator at all. The deadliest animal in America is the humble deer. While these creatures may seem gentle and harmless, they are responsible for more human deaths annually than any other wild animal in the United States. The reason? Deer vehicle collisions. Every year, over 1 million vehicle collisions occur involving deer, resulting in more than 200 human deaths and countless injuries. These accidents are not limited to rural areas. As human populations expand into areas once dominated by wilderness, encounters with deer have become more common. Highways and roads cut through their natural habitats, leaving deer confused and vulnerable as they attempt to navigate this unfamiliar terrain. The fall is an especially dangerous time for drivers. During mating season, known as the rut, deer are more active, wandering farther from their usual ranges in search of mates. Bucks, driven by instinct, are known to chase does across roads without any awareness of the danger, causing accidents to spike during this period. The danger is not limited to nighttime or rural roads. In fact, dusk and dawn, when deer are most active, are the peak times for collisions. Drivers traveling on suburban or country roads are often caught off guard, with little time to react when a deer suddenly appears in their headlights. But the danger doesn't stop at the roads. Deer play a significant role in the spread of tick-borne diseases, most notably Lyme disease. Deer serve as hosts for ticks, which in turn spread this debilitating disease to humans. Lyme disease is one of the fastest-growing infectious diseases in the U.S., and as deer populations have expanded into suburban and urban areas, so has the risk of infection. Ticks that feed on infected deer carry the bacteria responsible for Lyme disease, and when these ticks bite humans, the disease can spread. Symptoms can range from mild to severe, often causing chronic pain, fatigue, and neurological complications if not treated promptly. As more people move into areas where deer populations are high, the potential for tick bites and Lyme disease increases. While deer themselves do not directly transmit the disease, their role as tick carriers has made them a vector of this growing public health concern. Deer populations are not only a concern for human safety, but also for the ecosystems they inhabit. Without natural predators like wolves or mountain lions in many parts of the country, deer populations can grow unchecked. Overgrazing by deer can have devastating effects on local plant life and, by extension, the entire ecosystem. Deer overpopulation leads to the destruction of native vegetation, which in turn affects other species that rely on those plants for food and shelter. Young trees are particularly vulnerable to being eaten or damaged by deer, preventing forests from regenerating naturally. This imbalance can also impact smaller animals and birds that rely on a healthy forest for survival. So, how do we manage this growing problem? Over the years, wildlife management agencies have employed a variety of strategies to control deer populations. Regulated hunting remains one of the most effective methods, allowing for population control while also providing a sustainable source of food. Beyond hunting, conservation efforts have also focused on habitat management and, in some cases, fertility control programs to limit deer reproduction in areas where hunting is not feasible. These methods aim to strike a balance between preserving deer populations and preventing overpopulation from causing ecological damage or posing dangers to human life. It's strange to think that such a peaceful creature could hold the title of America's most deadly animal. But when we look at the numbers, it's undeniable. Despite the presence of large predators, venomous creatures, and oceanic threats, the deer, through their interactions with vehicles, claims more lives each year than any other animal in the country. Though they are not inherently dangerous, the unintended consequences of living alongside deer have made them the deadliest animal on American soil. It's a reminder that danger doesn't always come with fangs or claws. Sometimes, it comes in the form of an animal we've long admired. The American deer, with its graceful movements and quiet presence, continues to inspire awe. They are a symbol of nature's beauty, a reminder of the wilderness that once dominated the land. But they are also a symbol of the complexities of living in a modern world. As their populations grow and their habitats intersect with ours, understanding their impact becomes ever more crucial. In the end, the story of the deer is one of balance, a delicate equilibrium between beauty and danger, survival and loss, nature and humanity. By learning to coexist with these magnificent creatures, we can continue to appreciate their role in our world while minimizing the risks they pose. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the truth behind one of America's most unexpected threats. And that brings us to the end of another captivating journey with the stuffed capsicum. Thank you so much for joining us today and being a part of our global community of knowledge seekers. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting videos filled with fascinating facts, surprising discoveries, and a touch of AI magic. Stay stuffed with knowledge by exploring our diverse playlists, and be sure to share your favorite videos with friends and family. We appreciate your support and can't wait to continue serving up a delectable mix of educational and entertaining content. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep those stuffed capsicums of wonder rolling. Hey, Capsicum crew! I hope you're enjoying our content as much as we love creating it for you. But here's the thing. Making these videos takes a lot of time, love, and resources. From the research to editing, every bit of support helps us keep going. and we want to keep growing and delivering even more exciting content for you. That's where you come in. We've set up a Ko-Fi page where you can support the channel by donating, and every little bit helps. Whether it's a one-time contribution or something small regularly, it goes a long way in helping us create more content and keep the channel thriving. Plus, you'll be directly contributing to the next big video you see here. If you love what we're doing and want to be a part of the journey, you can find us at ko-fi.com with the handle at the stuffed capsicum, or the link is in the bio. Your support means the world to us, and we couldn't do it without you. Thanks for watching, supporting, and being part of the stuffed capsicum family. Let's keep exploring, learning, and having fun together.